So this is like my first outing. I'm gonna go to the coffee shop and get some coffees for me and my sister and her friend, and then we're gonna park our cars like 6 feet apart in the parking lot of one of the churches of the youth room and have a little socially distant coffee date. I'm really excited about it. It's like the only thing I've done basically since quarantine started. And things are like a little bit lifted here, but I just don't feel comfortable going outside because there's so many people here for Memorial Day weekend, and I'm pregnant and I just don't want to get sick after all this time. So we're gonna do this, and I think it'll be really fun. Got my little bump with me. Yeah, so this is me starting to vlog again. We just finished our little distancing date, but I don't know if you can hear it started to rain. So I'm heading home and I'm gonna help Steve with some cleaning up and getting the nursery ready. We got our stroller last night and put it together, which I'm really excited about. It's so cute and I can't wait to use it. It's like super user friendly. We went with the Up a Baby cruise and it was a very nice gift given to us. So I'm gonna head home and try to get some work done around the house for the baby. So it's Tuesday and it's right after Memorial Day. Steve has this test that he has to take, like basically like an exit exam for school. So I am working on washing baby clothes and putting them away. I just have a few more loads to do for the things that we've received already. Our bananas are going bad pretty quickly because we got a bunch of them to last and they didn't. So I am going to make my favorite banana chocolate chip bread. I will put the link to that recipe below. I use it all the time. I sub applesauce for the oil just to make it like a little healthier. But it's really good either way. So I will link that below. I have some time before I have the work that I have to do today. So I figured I would start my morning that way, make some coffee, do some laundry, make some banana bread, and then get to work. Having to put the banana bread back in earlier because it just like was not fully cooked because the recipe is for muffins and not bread. So I ended up having to cook it for like double time and then some. But it was really, really delicious and I got to enjoy some with my sister. We did like a socially distanced porch coffee date, which was really nice. We have like a nice long porch out front, so we were able to kind of sit out there and just chat for a little bit. And Steve just finished his testing stuff, so I am starting dinner. We're gonna have spaghetti and meatballs. I'll show you the ones that we use. So we use this brown rice. Wow. This tinkyada brown rice pasta is really good. And it's gluten-free, and it basically tastes like regular pasta to me, so I love it. And then we use these Gardein meatless meatballs, which are actually really, really good. They're the best ones I've had so far. There's also Kite Hill makes really good vegan ravioli, so sometimes we add those. We don't have any because we ate some last week, but if you can find them, they're really good as well to add to it. The only thing I've never tried that I've wanted to try is a vegan lasagna, so I think maybe this week I might try to add the vegan like regatta to my list and see if I can try my hand at that, because I do like lasagna and I think that would be really good, some kind of like spinach or kale like veggie lasagna. So I'm getting on my dinner. Oh, and our car seat arrived today and some stuff that I got to take to the hospital, so I'm going to be working on a what's in my hospital bag video soon. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you. But we went with the Nuna Pippa in the color Birch. It's like a gray seat with like a cream colored top. What is it? It's for your baby friend. So I'm super excited because today Steve and I are heading out to purchase the paint for the baby's room. This is what it currently looks like. It's gray and it's got stuff everywhere that needs to be put away. That's my desk that we're gonna move. But we're trying to decide between this emerald color and like a neutral blush color called Bashful. So let me know in the comments what you think we're gonna go with, because I'm not gonna know probably until I get there. But I'm super pumped and I can't wait to do this. We're one step closer. So we just left the paint shop, which was really cool because I've not really been in many places pregnant since we've been in quarantine. So I like have no concept of what my stomach looks like, even though like I know that I look pregnant. So people are like, oh, is this for a baby's room? Oh, when are you due? So it was kind of fun to experience that because I've not had that happen yet. And Steve is going in Target to get a few more things that we need. And I am waiting in the car. We're gonna go home and declutter and reorganize the baby's room, and then Steve's gonna get painting this week. And I'm just so excited to show you. So Steve cleaned out the whole room and now he's gonna start the painting. Finished painting the baby's room. I'm gonna keep it closed until I do an actual room reveal, once everything is decorated as much as we can and set up as much as we can. But I'm just really excited that it's done. I love it so much and I can't wait to show you. And that's my neighbor's lawnmower, so I'm gonna go. Good morning. I sound really nasally because I'm having like bad allergies because I'm cleaning. Steve and I are in major nesting mode over here. We've gotten our whole room pretty much clean, and now I'm just working on today kind of consolidating a lot of my clothes so that I can donate them. I'm putting together a bag for thredup and just for our regular like donation area. I ordered a bunch of stuff that we didn't get from the registry that I feel like we're gonna need when the baby gets here, like a changing table and sheets for the bassinet and some towels and just a few things to kind of feel like a little bit more organized. Pretty much otherwise we have everything that we need, which is amazing. I am 34 weeks and 5 days, so I'll be 35 weeks on Thursday. And I really just want to have like everything done by 37 weeks because just in case she comes early, I don't know. Also, my hair is just like wild today because I didn't put product in it because I don't care. So, to-do list for today: organize my clothes and donate them. Steve's giving Josie a bath. We're going to get the rest of the like frames to hang up the stuff in her baby room, like the, what are these called? Pictures and stuff that we have for like decorating her nursery. We started this online birthing class that I will link below. We really like it, and I have a discount code for you. It's like under $200. I'm really happy with it so far. So we're doing another module of that today. Just went grocery shopping yesterday. Got all of our food for the next 2 weeks, and I'm trying to put together like a list of snacks and postpartum things that I'm gonna want like in my room and around where I am. And then I'm hoping if I get everything done, we can finally install the car seat. So a long day ahead of me, but I do have energy today. I sound horrible obviously because of my allergies, but I do have like a lot of energy today, so I'm trying to tap into that because I felt like just so like tired and wiped out the past few days. So we'll see, but she's kicking a lot and it's so cool, and I just can't wait for her to be here. So let's go get ready for the baby. So I'm cleaning out the second drawer and I'm going through all of the clothes. I'm making a pile over here for thredup and donations. And then this is my little thredup bag that I'm going to put everything in. This is stuff that was in a drawer that needs to be hung up. And then I'm just rolling up the rest of the shirts. I'm going to organize them by color in this drawer. So I finished my closet organization. I did everything by style first. So dresses, then tops, then sweaters, and then more like formal dresses. And then I did like hoodies and stuff and wintery stuff on the left and right side. And then I organized by color. So it's about as good as that's going to get for now. I still have to tackle this up here, but we're going to just let you see this for now because it looks nice and organized. So I'm back in the baby's room. We finished installing the car seat, which is wonderful. I feel so much better now that that's done. And I'll show you the whole thing when I have like all these frames and stuff that I purchased that I want to put the rest of her like prints and stuff in. And we're going to try to make either a gallery wall here or put some stuff over here and maybe hang that mobile up here. So I'll do like a whole reveal once it's done. We're still waiting on the baby chair. We have her crib and like her bouncer and her rocker and all those things. And our bassinet is in our room, but I'll do like a whole nursery room tour once everything is finished. I'll also be working on my next video, which is what I'm packing in my hospital bag. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to be the first to see those other videos that I was talking about working on when they drop. Otherwise, thanks so much for being here. I'm so grateful for you. I can't believe tomorrow I'm 35 weeks and we are like just a few weeks from meeting this baby. It's wild. You're the best. Have a great weekend. Bye.